Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share the information regarding the cross-contamination in the food industries. When we talk about the food and health safety, we have to aware of the cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is the transfer of pathogens from the one surface to another surface. Pathogens are bacteria or germs that can cause food spoilage and food poisoning. So cross-contamination means, for example, if you have germs or pathogens on raw chicken and then that raw chicken is placed next to cooked chicken, the pathogens can jump over the cooked chicken and contaminate it and make it go spoilage. So it can cause safe food to become contaminated when bacteria is transferred into food from somewhere else. For example, from raw to cooked meat on the same chopping board. So because raw chicken is contain the Salmonella, Campylobacter, Clostridium bovinis. This bacteria is the main root cause for the disease. You are not just carrying the knife or chopping board. Along this, we are carrying the pathogens which cause the foodborne illness and cause the disease. So these all processes for the cross contamination. So we have to be very careful to work in the food industry.